Right, let's start this thing rolling. The creation story in the Bible is accurate, but not literal. This is coming from a sectional Bible from 1909. Alright, in the beginning God created the heaven and the earth was without form and void, and darkness was upon the face of the deep, and the Spirit of God moved upon the face of the waters. Correct translation is not hovering over the waters. The Hebrew word tohim is referring to basically cosmic crap. Okay? So the Lord's wind blew across the cosmic crap out there in the universe. Basically, the Big Bang. Which we're not even sure about the Big Bang, but that's what verse 1:1 and 1:2 is referring to. So far, we line up with science. On to the first day. So we have a bunch of cosmic crap floating around, okay? So the next line, it says, God, let there be light, and there was light, and God saw the light, and saw that it was good. Now we're several billion years along after the Big Bang, and we have stuff coalescing and making stars and whatnot. Okay, that's what that is. Another several billion years process. And then we go under, and then God divided the light from the darkness. Blah, 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 9th day. So by now, Earth is in the stage where it's a ball. Not really feasible yet. The moon is in place. The planets have settled down. Their current stasis. And now we have night and day because we're starting to rotate on our own axis and whatnot. That's some more billions of years. Follow me? Next comes the creationist's favorite word, firmament. Translated incorrectly, of course. Let's go. This is the section where Christians just love to just fuck shit up. Now remember, I said by waters, that is not the translation. The correct translation is cosmic ocean. Basically means the fucking cosmos. Cosmic crap. Firmament is also not the right translation. I'm saying this wrong, but it's Rakaya, means an expanse. Now I'm going to translate this in Witchfoot. And God said, let there be an expanse in the midst of the cosmic crap, and let it divide the cosmic crap from the other cosmic crap. And God made the expanse, and divided the cosmic crap, which were under the expanse, from the cosmic crap which was above the expanse. And it was so. God called the expanse heaven. Really, really fancy shit for dimensions. That's what he's talking about. Behold, we are on day 3, where it says God, water, seas, and then land. This is referring to the late Hadean right there. And the art right between there. 454 billion years ago, roughly. I got that number right. Anyway, over those kajabillion of years, the Earth solidified and water, which we still really aren't entirely sure where it all come from. Anyway, it was water world, basically. The environment wasn't suitable at all for life. Definitely wasn't good water, but it was a water world. And during the Archean, when that started, that's when the water settled, the atmosphere changed, and the land came up. There's no telling what happened then. I mean, the rocks can only tell us so much, okay? But that's it, basically, okay? Day 3, done. The next section is how you know mankind fucked the original Bible up, okay? The next section talks about plant life. But then they want to go talk about the light that he already said that he made. Way back there. There, that lets you know that a human being fucked that up. Is irrelevant. It's redundant. He already did it back there. So the proper way to do this is to read this and just skip that whole section. So, the plant life, here, every living creature, literally covering from the Proterozoic all the way to the Cretaceous. Okay? That's what those verses are about. Difference is, the plant stuff would be day 4. Then animal life starts, that's day 5. That's right, just day 5. And now let's move on to day 6. Now we're going to the 6th day, the creation of man. And this is where I really, really need you Christians to pay attention. Okay, and the Lord said, let us make man in our image after our likeness, and let them have dominion over everything that's life. First, it does not say mirror image. Please look up the definition of image, okay? That's first off. Real problem here is this word right here, dominion. That is the absolute, complete, and total wrong translation. It was translated from, I believe, Radah, probably saying it wrong. It means to rule by going down and walking amongst everything as equals, not over them. You haven't conquered them. You have no dominion over them. You are an equal guider. Guide. Take care of. You look over. And caretaker. Don't know. So basically, the part that I just talked about in part 6 covers this. The quaternary section. Or perhaps the tertiary and quaternary section. Because every time that we dig, we find something older. And 1.8 million years is not enough time to go from a hominid to a modern Homo sapien. That scientifically, there's not enough time for that to happen. I love ocean insects. That's where scientists go missing link, Christians go Adam and Eve, and occultists generally default to the Anunnaki, okay, the Gomo from the Dogon. Native Americans and the Sky People. Aboriginals or Aborigines, I don't remember which one is offensive, and they're Sky People. So, yeah, there you go. The end.